There's a question on the Facebook from Asad Nasir. Could chicken be called haram in any way possible? Question asked by Asad Nasir is that can chicken be haram in any way possible? If the chicken has not been cut or zabiha or slaughtered in the Islamic way, it's haram. Normally in the Islamic teaching you have to do zabiha, you have to see to it that you cut the neck of the chicken without bending the neck so that the jugular veins are cut and the blood flows out. The chicken struggles, the blood flows out and the chicken dies of bleeding, the blood comes out of the body. This is called as zabiha, the Islamic method of slaughtering. So if you slaughter according to the Islamic method, having the chicken becomes halal. But if the Islamic method is not used and if it's done by stunning or if the chicken is killed by twisting the neck, this is haram. So if the chicken is not cut in the Islamic method, then eating the chicken is haram.